Okay, good morning student. Ninth B Science 1 class, chapter number 3. Already we have started, but we are continuing after 10 days. So I would like to recall some points. Electric current. It is a flow. The word flow you have to remember. Flow when it is possible, when there is a difference in the level. One example, very good example they have given. Two container connected with rubber tube, and here it is a clip. Here water is filled up to this height, here water is filled up to this height, and tap in between it is closed. When it is open, means allow the water of this container A to flow in B. So this level comes down, this will comes up till it becomes equal. Then it will not flow. So flow is possible when there is a level difference. Different the level. Always it flow from higher level to lower level. First example. Second example. In one container, take A and B. Take same amount of water. This is 80 degrees centigrade. This is 20 degrees centigrade. One is hot water, one is cool water. Again the level difference, one with high temperature, one with low temperature. Now mix it into another container. So it will be 80 plus 20 divided by 2, 100 divided by 2, 50 degree. Means the temperature of hot water slowly decrease, and temperature of cool water slowly increase, and when it is equal, no flow. So for flow, difference of level, here also the difference of level is must. Here also the difference of level is must. 80-20, why it will stop at 50? So 80, that higher level temperature will slow down, this will up. 50 means from 80 to 50 loss 30 degree. 20 to 50 gain 30. How much is lost by one substance? That is again by another substance. Third example. First example, flow of water. Second example, flow of temperature. Third example, wind. Sometimes we feel that wind is from this left to right it is flowing. Sometimes from right to left it is moving. How to identify that the direction, because it is not visible. So take a dust of sand, very small particle of the dust, just allow to flow. So in which direction it will flow? So from that you will come to know that the wind is in that direction. Why this? Again, this is the flow. Third example, wind. First water, second temperature, third wind. Where it is flowing from higher level to lower level, because of the difference in the temperature, there is a high temperature somewhere, there is a low temperature somewhere. So wind will flow from higher temperature to lower temperature, higher pressure to lower pressure. More the temperature, lower the pressure. Low the temperature, more the pressure. But the wind will flow from higher pressure to lower pressure. So, whose mic is on, beta? हाँ. Left. Okay. So flow is very important. For flow, the difference of the level, it is very important. Water also flow from higher level to lower level. Temperature also flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. Wind also flow from higher pressure to lower pressure. Exactly like that. Exactly like that. Current also flow from higher potential to lower potential. So for current, higher potential is positive. Positive, high potential. Negative, low potential. So electric current flow from higher potential to lower potential. What is a potential? It is a level. Electric current can pass through the metal only. Why through the metal only? Because in the metal there are free electrons. Electrons are negatively charged. So when it is connected to the battery, all electrons which are negative attract over the positive terminal. So electron flow is from negative to positive because it is negative, attract over the positive. So all electron moves from negative to positive. So that potential level will be high. So higher potential level is positive. Lower level potential is negative. So when they will ask flow of electric current, positive to negative. When they will ask flow of electron, negative to positive. That much is the difference. 3.2 they have given high potential, low potential with the diagram. This is positive, this is negative in conducting wire. High electric potential positive, low electric potential negative, connected with the conducting wire. Through the wire, electron will flow from negative to positive. Through the wire, electric current, HP higher potential, LP lower potential, EC electric current, EF electron flow from negative to positive, electric current flow from positive to negative. Now the difference, potential difference, if the difference is high, so the water will move fast. If the difference is very low, this much, very slowly, slowly, slowly it will match. If the difference is very high, so fast it will move. So more the potential difference, flow of electric current is more. When there is low difference in wall clock, in wristwatch, in remote control, we need 2 to 3 volt. So at that time potential difference is very less. So slowly it will flow, less current will pass. And for household appliances, pressure cooker, washing machine, TV, grinder, it need more current. At that time we have to maintain high potential difference, so current will flow faster. So first of all, potential, it is a level, and higher level known as positive, higher potential, lower potential, lower capacity, negative. Flow always from higher potential to lower potential, flow always from positive to negative. Then difference, potential difference. See here 20 and 80, 60 difference. Suppose I will take 60 and 40, so very less difference. So it will lose 10, it will gain 10. So 60 minus 10, 50, 40 plus 10, 50. So very less difference, large difference. Here also level you have to compare. If there is more level difference, it will move faster. If it is very less difference, it will come slowly, slowly, slowly at equal level. When it is at equal level, there is no flow. So for flow, both the levels should be different. One should be high, one should be low. Water always flow from higher level to lower level, not from lower level to higher level. And when there is a balance, left and right, then there is no flow of electric current. So potential, that is the level of charge. High charge, high potential, positive. Low charge, low potential, negative. Flow always from higher potential to lower potential. Now potential difference we have to find out. I told about small batteries which gives 2 volt, 3 volt, 1.5 volt, very low potential with very low potential difference. Bike battery, car battery, high potential difference. Even to play transistor, cordless in open ground or on a beach, we apply more cells. So high potential difference we have to maintain. So the potential difference means the difference between the higher level and the difference between the lower level. In between higher level to lower level, whatever the difference, that is a PD, potential difference of the battery. How to find out the potential difference of the battery? That is work done divided by charge transfer. Potential difference, it is work done and charge transfer. Total work done in charge transfer. Potential difference, we use unit volt. For work we use unit joule. For charge, coulomb. So for the battery, when we can see 1 volt is there, a battery is of 1 volt. Generally battery we identify with the volt number 1.5. That pencil cell is there, so that is of 1.5, and that big cell that is of 3 volt dry cells, and mobile battery that is around 5 to 7 different mobile different battery with a different capacity, but around 5 6 7 volt. So the potential difference, it is a volt, in the work done, that is a joule, and the uh, charge transfer, electron transfer, that is coulomb. So when you can say 1 coulomb, by passing of 1 coulomb charge, 1 joule work is done. At that time we can say 1 volt. When 1 joule work is done, how it will done? By passing 1 coulomb charge. At that time voltage is 1 volt. Reverse. When which we pass 1 coulomb charge, at that time work done is 1 joule. So the potential difference is 1 volt. This to this or this to this you can write. 1 joule work done when 1 coulomb charge is passed, or when 1 coulomb charge pass, 1 joule work done. At that time the capacity of the battery is 1 volt. Understood? Any question? This is the basic fundas for electric current, because more and more you have to learn on higher standard. So these are the basic. It should start from the flow, then water flow, then temperature flow, then wind flow, then current flow. For flow we need a difference in the level. Higher level it is positive potential, lower level means negative potential, and the difference, that is a potential difference, and the potential difference that we measured in volt in different battery. So potential difference is equal to work done divided by the total charge pass. So unit of potential difference is volt. Unit of work done, it is joule. Unit of charge of electron, that is a coulomb. And in both the way you can justify this equation. 1 coulomb charge pass, at that time 1 joule work done. So the capacity of that battery is 1 volt, or the potential difference of that battery is 1 volt. Reverse, 1 joule work done when 1 coulomb pass, or 1 coulomb pass, at that time 1 joule work is done. Hello? And the symbol, potential difference symbol V, work done W, all are capital. V is equal to W divided by Q. V into Q is equal to W. In electric wire, the work is said to be done when you multiply potential difference in charge. So 1 volt into 1 coulomb, it is 1 joule. This and this is same, 1 volt, 1 coulomb, 1 joule, cross product. Here formula I have done cross product, then unit, then substitution. Here formula, this I have not done cross product and simple. So finally both are the equal. Now different units. From 1 volt, upper unit and lower unit, two group. as in starting also. हाँ. Hmm. Correct. Hmm. Correct. Correct. That same instruction I am give. Sure. 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 Ah. Just now, what madam have given the instruction, I would like to add one example. If two people are selected for the next Olympic in 2021, it is done now after 4 year 2025. So start the preparation from today only. Person A, person B from the India are selected for the next Olympic. So one person will say चलो ना कंपटीशन होगा तब देखा जाएगा, and one person from day first to the previous day of the competition will do lots of practice, lots of hard work, and both people will appear in Olympic. No need to mention that who will win. So regular practice, regular alertness, regular drill work, through which only you can win. And directly you are doing like that only. You are appearing directly in exam, getting single digit, and that is luckily by you are marking ABCD anything, and luckily if it is correct then you will get the mark. Simple. So don't appear directly into the exam, come regularly. If you will listen, if you will observe, at the time of exam at least something you can recall. Suppose the character is not on the screen on TV or on a theater, but backside commentary is going on. You will immediately recognize that this voice is of this artist, because previously you have the experience of his or her voice. Otherwise you can't judge like that. If you have learned, if you have attended this online lecture, at the time of exam you will come to know that like this someone was done in lecture. So like that, no, you will come to know. So every day I am telling the same. I am sending the message that these are going. but no improvement. Why in exam all are ready, but not on online? Uh, Suppose 11 students are absent in that 5 exam, 6 exam. So 74 minus 11, 63 should be here. It is exactly half. So rest of 50% students are sleeping, enjoying. Okay. Potential difference is the level. It is a difference in the level of two potential. V is equal to W by Q. V is voltage, W is work, Q is a charge. V 1 volt, W 1 joule work, Q 1 coulomb charge. 1 joule work is done when 1 coulomb charge is passed. At that time 1 volt, or 1 coulomb charge is passed, 1 joule work is done, that is 1 volt. Now from 1 volt collect more volt and will find bigger unit and make a part of the 1 volt. We will get the smaller unit. For example, 1 meter, if we divide into 100 centimeter, again you divide into 10 part, millimeter, like that. And meter, suppose you collect 100 meter, 1000 meter, kilometer, like that. So 1 volt, when we collect 1000 volt, 10 raised to 3 means 1000. 1000 volt, it is kilowatt. Now 1000 into 1000, 10 raised to 6 volt, it is megawatt. So volt, kilowatt, megawatt, increasing power. Now take a part of 1 volt, 1000 part, make equal part, small part, 1000 part, it is millivolt. Small m, simple small m, it is millivolt. Now again of this make 1000 part, so 10 raised to minus 6, that is megawatt. So you have to read minus or plus. See, if it is plus, kilowatt. If it is minus 3, milliwatt. If it is plus 6, so megawatt. If it is minus 6, microwatt. This m and this m are different. Milliwatt, microwatt, kilowatt, megawatt. Here plus 3, minus 3, plus 6, minus 6. So on power and on sign you have to decide. If it is plus 3, power is given 10 raised to 3 volt, kilowatt. 10 raised to minus 3 volt, milliwatt. 10 raised to 6 volt, megawatt. 10 raised to minus 6 volt, microwatt. Milli and a micro, that is given on 32 page. Center part is given, very important. Current flowing through the wire, this is most important point. 3.4, 32 page. Diagram. Conducting wire, these are the free electrons. There is one conducting wire, a piece of wire. Suppose it is like this, rod, metallic. in every metallic wire or in metallic substance there are some free electrons. It is not a part of circuit, so that electrons are moving zigzag 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 anyway. This goes this side, this goes this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, because no proper point of attraction, so it is moving randomly because it is not a part of circuit. When it is a part of circuit, when battery is connected, positive negative, this is positive, this is negative, so this positive to positive, negative to negative. Previously it was a piece of wire, now that piece of wire is connected in the circuit, now it is a part of the circuit, part of the electric current. So electric current will flow, but in which direction? From positive to negative. Electric current always flow from positive to negative, but electron always flow from negative to positive because electrons are negative. Towards the opposite point it has attraction. So now all these electrons are here also. All electrons are moving this way. Now not zigzag, not randomly. All electrons are moving towards positive. Why? Because all are negative and negative attract towards the positive. So this level will be high. High means positive level. And from here it is going, so down, so negative. So from positive to negative electric current will flow. That two green diagram it is given, no need to read this, simple. When electric wire is not connected into the circuit, there are free electrons, but it is moving randomly because no point of attraction. 1, 2, 3 point. Conducting wire, free electrons, moving randomly because no point of attraction. Simple. Now when it is connected with the battery have two terminals, positive, negative, connected. Now all negative electrons will attract towards one point, positive point. So that level will be higher, so higher potential level. From where it is moving, that is a lower. From where? From where? So that is negative. So electric current flow from positive to negative means always current flow from positive. The last two questions. Flow of electron, negative to positive. Flow of electric current from always positive to negative. Follow? Now electric current is equal to charge by time. Electric current, it is volt. Charge, it is Q. T, it is time. Electric current, not voltage. So I sorry. So IT, it is Q. I means 1 ampere, 1 second, 1 coulomb. So 1 coulomb, 1 second. In 1 second, simple, in 1 second, 1 coulomb charge is passed. At that time, current is said to be 1 ampere. Potential difference volt, current is ampere. 1 coulomb charge pass in 1 second. So the current is 1 ampere. ulta. In 1 second 1 coulomb charge is passed. 1 coulomb charge pass in 1 second, or in 1 second 1 coulomb charge pass. 1 coulomb charge pass in 1 second, or in 1 second 1 coulomb charge pass. That is 1 ampere. That is the ampere formula. So I is equal to Q by T. Current is equal to electric charge by time, and this is equal to 1 ampere. When it is 1 ampere, 1 coulomb charge pass, then 1 second. So student, you convey a message to your friends, those already who have given the exam, that they have to come compulsory in online lecture, otherwise they will fail even though they have given the exam. So be careful, and whatever the problem, your doubts, you can send me the message, and related to this also you can write. Okay, send me the attendance.